The next and for now final thing we'll do to improve our index method is add the ability to sort our tasks using query parameters. And this is also done using the Laravel query builder package that we used before for filtering. We will add a default sortation on the created add timestamp first. So I'll copy over this line and add it below the allowed filters. Now we can add the created add field here and see what this does in Postman. And you'll now see that the first task that we created is on top of this list. It actually was before, but let's now sort on the lastly created task first. And for this we add a hyphen, a minus sign, whatever you want to call it. And let's save this and go back to Postman. And you'll now see that the tasks that were created last are on top. And the first one that we just created should be all the way at the bottom. So let's double check that and go to the fourth page. And we'll see indeed that our first task is now shown as a last result of the task list. What we'll do next is allow to sort our tasks on the title, the is done field and the created add field. So let's head back into our controller and add allowed sorts. And as an array, I'll pass title is done and created add. Now let's play around with this for a bit. Let's go back to Postman and add the sort query parameter. And let's first sort on the title. And this will sort the results on alphabetical order. We can reverse this order by adding a hyphen sign again, or use this as a secondary sort by adding the is done field first, and that way we first sort on is done and next on title. And you'll see not so much now. Add a hyphen before is done, and we first see the completed task, and afterwards the results are sorted on alphabetical order of the title. And just like with the filter fields, we dictate which fields are allowed to sort on. So if we want to sort on ID, for example, and run this, then we'll notice again that we get a 400 pet request response back from our API.